Have you ever paused to ponder the profound implications of climate change on our planet's diverse ecosystems? As the Earth's climate undergoes unprecedented shifts, ecosystems around the globe are grappling with significant transformations. And at the core of these transformations, human activities. Global temperatures are on the rise, causing a domino effect on the distribution and composition of ecosystems. As temperatures climb, species are compelled to move towards cooler latitudes and elevations, upsetting the balance of established ecological communities. This is especially true in polar and mountainous regions, where some species face potential extinction as their preferred climate zones shrink away. Alterations in precipitation patterns are reshaping water availability and distribution, affecting ecosystems dependent on specific moisture levels. Droughts are becoming the unwelcome guest that overstays its welcome, contributing to desertification in some regions and straining water-dependent ecosystems like wetlands and forests. Increased carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere are a double-edged sword. They not only fuel global warming, but they also lead to ocean acidification, an unseen threat to marine ecosystems, particularly coral reefs. Rising sea temperatures trigger a phenomenon known as coral bleaching, a process where corals expel the symbiotic algae they rely on, leading to a loss of color and a breakdown of the critical symbiotic relationship between corals and algae. Melting ice caps and glaciers are causing sea levels to rise, posing a significant threat to coastal ecosystems and the communities that depend on them. The loss of sea ice impacts the habitats of iconic species such as polar bears and seals, causing disruptions in the food webs of these regions. The drama of climate change unfolds further with the increased frequency and intensity of extreme weather events. Hurricanes, floods, and wildfires are no longer rare occurrences but frequent headlines. These catastrophic events wreak havoc on ecosystems, with fire-adapted ecosystems facing severe wildfires and floods disrupting aquatic ecosystems while initiating soil erosion. Climate change is not just changing our weather, it's changing the rhythm of nature. It's altering the timing of natural events, like flowering, migration, and hibernation, leading to a mismatch between species' life cycles and the availability of resources. This shift can disrupt the intricate relationships between pollinators and plants, with potential consequences for biodiversity and agricultural productivity. The cumulative effects of climate change are contributing to a loss of biodiversity as species grapple to adapt or migrate to more suitable habitats. Ecosystems already fragmented or under additional threats, such as habitat destruction, are particularly vulnerable to the intensifying effects of climate change. In essence, climate change poses a significant threat to the intricate web of life that sustains our planet. Grasping the multifaceted impacts of climate change on ecosystems is crucial for crafting effective strategies for mitigation and adaptation. As guardians of the Earth, it falls upon us to address the root causes of climate change and strive for a sustainable future that preserves the rich tapestry of life on our planet. Thank you for lending your time to this critical conversation. If you found value in this discourse, please consider subscribing, sharing, commenting, and liking to help spread the word. Together, we can make a difference.